Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Killer Ghost. First, gather at least 3 players for an exciting game. Designate one player as the mysterious ghost and another as the vigilant killer. All other participants become victims, striving to survive the round. The ghost's secret mission is to eliminate victims by making subtle eye contact and winking. It's a game of observation and deception, so pay close attention to everyone around you from the very start. The ghost's primary objective is to eliminate every victim without being discovered. To achieve this, the ghost makes eye contact with a chosen victim and delivers a discreet wink. This action must be subtle enough to go unnoticed by the killer. Once a victim receives a wink, they must silently count to 5 before dramatically dying and falling out of the game. The ghost continues this process until all victims are gone or they are caught. The killer has a crucial role: to identify the ghost before all victims are eliminated. They must constantly observe all players, looking for any suspicious winking or unusual behavior. If the killer believes they have identified the ghost, they can make an accusation. A correct accusation means the game ends immediately and the killer wins. However, an incorrect accusation carries a penalty. The killer is then out of the game, making the ghost's job much easier. Victims have a simple yet challenging goal: survive the ghost's silent attacks. They must try to avoid being winked at, but also subtly help the killer by drawing attention to suspicious players without directly revealing the ghost. The game concludes in one of 2 ways. The ghost wins if they successfully eliminate all victims before being identified. Conversely, the killer and any remaining victims win if the killer correctly points out the ghost. Good luck, and have fun playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.